What's up everyone and welcome to the club. Today I'll show you step by step on how to draw Spider-Man. Now we're going to begin today's lesson in the center page of the top edge of the eyes. Let's leave a small gap in the center. We're going to start with the left side. We're going to start with a curve that goes up, bend that out towards the end. Now at the top we're just going to curl that up. Let's take that shape and flip it over on the right. So start along the bottom, bending this out and up, and then curl that up towards the tip. Now I want to go back to the left side and draw the bottom of the eye. We're going to start by bending this out, come all the way down towards the bottom, and then pull that up towards a point on the inside. Let's do the same thing on the right. Coming down towards the same height, go all the way around the outside, and then in. Let's add that trim around the inside of the eye. From this point, we're going to step out, follow that curve going out towards the top, to right about there, and we'll follow the curve along the bottom of the eye, and then back up. Now I'm going to go and fill the trim in black. Now with the eyes in place, we want to draw the lower half of the head. So from the outside of the left eye, we're going to step out to create a gap. We're going to come down towards the chin, round this out, and then pull this up beside the right eye towards the same height. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to draw the top half. Start by bending this out, around the eye, and then in towards the middle. Want to round up the head, come all the way around, and then back in on the right. Let's add that webbing inside the mask. From the inside corner of the eyes, we're going to go up in the middle and then back down. From that center point, let's draw a straight line going all the way up towards the top of the head. Now from the top of the eyes, we're going to add two curves, one going up and then out towards the left. Line this up on the right, go up and then out towards the right side. Let's go back to the center, add a curve going across. And then from the ends, we're going to bend this out and then down toward the left and right side. Let's add two more lines on either side. From the eye, and goes down and out. Then from the top of the eye, going up and out. Now we're going to add that webbing going across. From the top corner of the eye, we're going to step down, bend this in and then up. Line it up on the right side. And we'll bend this in and then up towards the center. Let's move down and draw another one. Coming down and out. And then down and out on top of the eyes. Let's add one more across the bottom, coming up and then in. Now halfway between this line and the chin, add a curve going across. From the ends, go up and then out underneath the eyes. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. Just underneath the head on the left, we're going to curve the body going out and then down towards the hip. And we'll line it up on the right, coming down towards the same height. Now I want to create a point in the center, coming in and then down from the left, and go up and then back out. Now with the arms, we're going to stretch these out towards the sides. So we're going to start underneath the head, we're going to bend the arm going up, and then out towards the wrists. From the wrist, we're going to point the thumb going up, and then come down. And then from the base of the thumb, we're going to extend that first finger, going out, bend that down toward the bottom, and then pull that back in towards the hand. Now right here, we're going to draw an oval, going all the way around, so we're just going to bend that middle finger. Let's do the same thing on the right. From the thumb, and it's out and then down. Round up the finger, come back in, and we'll draw that oval. Now we're going to extend the pinky. From the bottom of that oval, come out, across and then up towards the wrist. From the wrist, step down, bend the arm coming in and then down toward the side of the body. Now halfway along the top of the arm, it's going to add a curve coming in and then out for the edge of the glove. Let's move in, we're going to add a trim coming in and then down towards the hip. And we'll follow this curve going back out toward the side of the body. From this point, step down, add a curve, going across, leave a gap in the center, go to the left side. We're going to bend the leg going out and then down towards the left heel, move over towards the right, go out and down towards the right heel. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, coming down and then up on both sides. Let's go back to the left side. We're going to curve the foot, going up. I want to bend this down, aiming towards the heel, and we want to leave a small gap on the inside. Now we're going to go back up to the hips and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. In the middle of the leg, we're going to add a seam to the edge of the boot. And I'm also going to add a thick sole across the bottom of the feet. So we're going to take this curve, step up, and just trace that across on both sides. Let's add a simple spider symbol in the center of the body. We're going to start at the very top with a little curve, almost like a half circle. From the top, it's going to bend this around and then in. Let's draw that first set of arms, going up with an angled line, and curve this up towards a point. I just want to trace this along the outside, coming back in towards the body. Let's come down and up, and then trace this along the inside. Let's add another set of legs coming down the bottom, coming down and out. And we'll hook this down and then in. Let's trace this back up to right about there, leaving a gap in the center. And then from the top, it's going to bend the body, coming around towards the bottom point. Let's fill that symbol in black. Now you're going to add some webbing across the hands and the feet. Let's start with the fingers. On the tip, add one curve, step up and add another one. Do the same thing across the pinky. Let's do the same thing on the right side. And along that center finger, we're going to add a curve going in the opposite direction. Let's add two curves across the thumb, starting with the tip and the bottom. Now on either side of that center finger, we're going to add a curve going across and then in towards the cuff. Let's do the same thing on the right, just bending this across and then in. And with the webs that go across, we want to aim the bend towards the shoulders. Let's start from the base of the thumb, bend this in and then down, and then just work our way down towards the bottom. Just going to add one more in between. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Let's add those webs across the feet. We're going to start from the inside edge, step over, bend this out and then down. Now we're going to start with the top. I'm just going to leave a gap and draw two more. Let's do the same thing on the right. Start with the inside, and then add two more across the top. Across the front of the foot, we're going to add two curves. Let's start at the base of this line, bend this out and then down, move over and draw that again. Let's add those webs going across, and again, we're going to aim that bend towards the top of the hips. Let's start up here, add one, just working our way across towards the inside of the legs. Let's add a set going across the front of the foot. and then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of Spider-Man. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each day where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.